Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes high-quality glass so incredibly clear and strong? Today we're going to dive into the world of Feldspar, one of the key ingredients in glass manufacturing. But not just any Feldspar. We're talking about superfine, ultrafine Feldspar powder. Traditionally, getting Feldspar fine enough for premium glass was a real challenge. It affected everything: clarity, strength, and even the production process itself. But guess what? A new type of ultrafine mill is changing the game completely. This technology grinds Feldspar down to particles so tiny, it's almost unbelievable. We're talking about a level of fineness that was nearly impossible to achieve consistently before. So what does this mean for the glass you use every day? Well, for starters, it leads to glass with fewer imperfections and bubbles. That means windows, screens, and containers that are clearer and more durable. It also makes the glassmaking process itself more efficient and controllable. Manufacturers can now produce higher quality glass with less waste and energy. This ultrafine mill isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a revolutionary step forward. From smartphone screens to laboratory equipment, the impact is huge. It allows for stronger, more scratch-resistant surfaces that last longer. Even artistic and architectural glass benefits, achieving new levels of brilliance. So the next time you look through a pristine window or use a sleek glass device, remember the tiny superfine Feldspar particles that made it possible. This technology is quietly transforming an entire industry, one perfect particle at a time.